Are you recording?
Yeah.
So we have a problem with our windshield, the side mirror right now. It just like doesn't lock in place. And apparently you just have to open it up and then there's this little string thing and you gotta hammer it down. Ooh, I don't know what I'm doing. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I don't know, is this right? I don't know, I feel like we're gonna break it.
I'm gonna give it a try.
Everybody else?
Alright, welcome to the Catherine She screwdriver session here. This right here is the side of the car.
We have no idea what we're doing. Of course. Did you record it?
I don't know.
Did I break anything?
Did you break anything?
Uh-oh. Okay, it was these white things that were holding it in place, right? So I just had to pull super hard. Oh my god, they're so oily.
Ew.
Okay, now I think we have to remove this, pry apart these two spots, and then we can see the washer and like slam it down.
Go, go, go.
20 minutes later.
I think mission failed, unfortunately. We can't seem to get this piece out of this cover, and then we can't hammer this washer that we need to hammer. You know, I saw in other videos they did go into the whole car, into the door compartment, and they removed the whole mirror. And maybe that's how they were able to access it, but...
What's the plan? Do we put it all back in duct tape, or are you planning to remove the door?
Yeah, I think we're gonna put it all back in duct tape. I think removing the door is a little bit too much.
I don't think this should be a public video. It's not very educational.
I'm gonna publish it. I mean, maybe I'll remove the door.
Stop it. Get some help.
The next day.
Alright, it's attempt number 2. I'm gonna try and pop off this door panel now. Kinda sucks because the whole mirror is kinda messed up now after our last. Just wanted to give a quick update on this. Sometimes, you know, it's really just better to have a professional do things. It saves you time, effort, and energy. It's not even that much more expensive. It's just something that the professionals are better suited to do. And a lot of times I like to do it-yourself stuff. But we ended up taking this into the shop and now it works perfectly. You know, I ended up trying to take apart the whole door panel, but there was just no way I was gonna do that and not struggle a ton. And so now it's completely fixed, it works great. I am very pleased with it. It only cost 150 bucks. Very satisfied with the result now. Saved a lot of time and effort. Although at least I tried, but I think in the end, it was good that we just took it to the shop. So that's the conclusion to this story. See a professional.